picture once. Then I hid, and then it came right back out.
It's so pretty.
It's nice that it wants to swim for us. Look at the fish are scared of it.